channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So today, we are going to be trying Valentine's Day snacks.
Yeah. All the good treats and things for the lovers and the friends. Yeah.
This is to you guys, even though it's not Valentine's Day.
Aww.
Valentine's Day. This is
That's so sweet.
happy.
DJ, they said you got a Valentine.
Day.
Who?
Yeah, oh, okay. That's what I was trying to figure out. Yeah,
Okay.
that better be your answer, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, you better not have no Valentine right here. What about you, Kota?
My Valentine is Daddy.
Okay.
Good answer, good answer,
Hey.
good answer, good answer.
Hey,
Okay.
listen, I don't want no girl typing. I can be your, but I don't want to. I know.
Yeah, they're gonna be in the comments like, DJ. So y'all, they about to try all these Valentine's Day snacks. How many of y'all be eating up the Valentine's Day snacks on Valentine's Day? Like, comment down below what's your favorite Valentine's Day snack. That's a.
It has hearts.
They got hearts on it. I mean, I don't know.
And on the back it has hearts like the hearts.
Okay, well, all right. So what y'all want to open up first, gang? What is that?
Ding dongs.
Ding dong. Let me see, DJ. Turn it around and show the camera. Let me see. Okay. Little heart with a little, what is sprinkles on it? A little red sprinkles, a chocolate. Okay. Kota over here struggling, y'all. What is it?
Man, what the freak?
What is it?
I don't need help.
Open
Jesus. All right, so let's see.
Yo, we about to try it.
And 3, 2, 1.
2 out of 10.
It's a 2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Ah, DJ gave this on a 2 out of... The ding dongs ain't donging.
Bruh.
The ding dong's not donging, y'all. DJ say he don't like it. It's a no for him. What about you?
I don't like that stuff in the middle.
Oh, the cream?
Yeah.
Oh, the cream feeling. It's the cream feeling. Okay, what about you, Kota?
4 out of 10. I never tasted it.
It's not giving.
I rate it down to a 10.
Okay, yeah. Them right there my favorite, y'all. Comment down below if y'all like lifesavers.
I really don't like it.
Messaging hearts and rings and stuff.
I just get one
Okay.
of those.
You like saying gummy bears?
Let me get one of them too.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let me get one of them too.
Daddy!
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
10 out of 10.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ain't no tears. Okay, 8 out of 10.
Alright, them 8 out of 10, yeah.
A 5 out of 10.
Girl, you know doggone well about 10 out of 10.
No, they're not. Taste one.
What we doing next? The donuts. Yeah, let's get up into that right there. Man, let me get one of them too, man.
Alright.
While y'all at it.
It's like foam.
I don't know.
Alright, come on, let's know.
Alright.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. It's a no for me. Hey, check the date on them things, man. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, hell no. Wait. This
Next month is February.
Yeah, in a few days it's about to be February. They need to get rid. They just got to, hey,
This is just made
these gotta go.
Hey,
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Alright, man, what's next? Alright, so next we're gonna be trying the Valentine's Day hearts. You know, this is traditional. You know, normally this is what they give they little Valentine's Day. Ooh. Hey, I ain't gonna need to hold you. I don't like them. I don't like the ones that be having them cherries and stuff in the middle with the oozing. Oh, I be hating them. Them be so nasty.
3.
I don't know.
Wait,
y'all finna try it and see though. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Oh, y'all did get the oozing one.
He got the oozing one.
What you got? Oh, you got like the caramel or chocolate one. DJ, what you got? Ooh, you got the pink one. That's the one I don't like. And it's another one that be having cherry in the middle. Man, eat that stuff. Hey, sit down and eat your food.
I love you. It's disgusting.
Hey, what y'all rate these right here though? What them taste like?
try the heart one.
I rate
the heart
this
one.
a 0 out of 10.
Alright, what's next, gang? What's next? What is it right here? Mini muffins. Strawberry shortcake mini muffins. And y'all can split that. Okay. You get one, Cole get one.
I get one.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Who said you get one.
I'll get one.
One.
Okay. 1, 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
What they giving? What they giving?
It tastes like dough.
It tastes like dough. For real?
Like a 3 or 4.
Nah, y'all lying.
I give it a solid 9.
For real?
I like it though.
They had to grab them some
I
water
taste
real
the dough
quick.
finally.
They had to grab a little
I
grab
like
some
it.
water.
I like it. I like
All right. What we doing next, gang? What's next? What's next? What them is zingers? Open them up. Open them up.
These are so
These look like
tiny,
them-
bro. Like what the freak?
These look like them strawberry shortcake ice cream.
Yeah.
Ugh.
What?
Why it look like that?
It look like.
Look like it got coconut or something on it.
Oh my god.
With cream filling. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? Kota
Okay,
got.
why does it smell like that?
What it smell like?
Smell
Smell
like.
it.
Smell like.
I don't know. That thing smell. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Zing?
Yeah, it's about to zing out of my mouth.
Zing?
Dang, ain't nothing good for these.
Hey, man.
It tastes.
So it was
stale.
coconut? It was coconut?
Yes, it tastes stale.
Oh my goodness. No.
I give it a 1 out of 10.
That's crazy.
Zero.
At least we know the
A
little
solid
jelly cake
0.
gonna be good.
Yeah, we got these. Now these got the hit right here, y'all. Come on, man. Them got the hit.
Nah, these look like
They look like they gonna hit.
they from her, so you already.
Next, we're gonna get ready to try these warheads. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Extreme sour.
The normal ones look smaller than this.
All right. Come on.
All right.
Let go.
Wait, no, I want yellow. Yellow the sourest one.
Get somebody else to do it.
Sour
This is what I get to kill you.
It look like that thing gonna hit you in your chest, boy. Yeah.
I like sour stuff.
All right. Yeah. Kota likes sour. You know she eat lemons all day anyway. All right. Let's go.
She be
I'm like that, so I'm about to get 2.
Oh, you gonna eat 2?
3.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all ready?
Cheers, just
Are you ready? Let's see how many you got. How many you got? Okay, 3, and you got 2. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yow. You about to die. The headband comes off.
I just came out from bed and it told me, stare at that girl.
Oh my God! So what y'all rate that?
The sour!
What y'all rate that? What y'all rate them warheads?
0, bro.
0?
Again, bro.
Was it super sour?
Wait, I kind of like
Y'all act
it.
like y'all couldn't handle it. Hold on now.
My tongue feel like dry.
No.
Wait, I kind of like it.
No.
though. I kind of like it.
Yo.
You kind of liked it?
Yeah.
These are called ooze chews. Okay? Ooze chews. Let me see how they look.
You shoes. What the?
Why are they so hard?
Ew.
You choose it.
Ew.
I'm getting the more sours.
All right, so 2 apiece again. All right, so y'all about to try the ooze chews. So y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sound like y'all eating rubber.
It's hard too.
Is it good?
Nothing ain't good for DJ.
You just said it's a no for him.
Chewy.
DJ, your taste buds are off.
You just said it's a no for him. They said that they selling anything in these stores, man. I don't like this. Y'all done gave all the snacks a bad review. Yo, it's a no.
No.
All right, y'all, what's next, gang? We about to see. Come on. Let's try it.
Oh, man.
Y'all go ahead and grab one
I'm gonna
apiece.
be on the toilet after this.
3, 2, 1, go. DJ cap. Now let me taste one. Now I feel like he capping. Man, nah.
That's good.
Let me taste one. Hold on. They look kind of dry. Hold on.
They look nasty.
They do look kind of on the old side. Hold on. Tastes kind of generic.
Take generic, but
The chocolate tastes so cheap. I don't like that for me. I don't like that for y'all either.
I
Hey, my boy, you good?
you
You good? Boy, yeah, you gonna be on that toilet, boy.
I'll spit it out. I ain't gonna be on the toilet. She gonna be on the toilet.
Think of the Wayne. Ooh, he do the stank walk. I do the stank walk. I do the stank walk. I do the stank. All right. We finna get into these Valentine's Day cakes real quick.
Yes, sir.
Kota!
What?
Is this a wet warhead?
Okay.
All right, so they about to try these right here. Hopefully these a winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
My favorite so far are these.
Okay, so Kota said these were her favorite.
And I like these a lot.
DJ said it's in the. Wait, you good?
But
I think he having a reaction to the snacks. Hold on, wait.
I like these. Y'all, these are my favorite.
Okay. So she said the warhead's her favorite. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we got to do it.
Those good. What? No. Wait.
Hey, where my cake went?
All right, last but not least, the nerds rope.
No, they not called no.
Let me see.
They called turds rope.
The Valentine's Day nerds rope. Let's see.
So good.
They do. They smell so good.
Bruh.
All right, y'all. Go ahead and pop that thing open. Let me see. Let me get a zoom in on that. Ooh, that thing look like. Yeah, let me get a piece of that right there. That is you. First one to finish, they get $100. First one to finish, they get $100. Ah! It was a tie. Ah!
Y'all turn it red.
You good?
It's so good.
You need some milk.
It's so good.
You know how I feel about these snacks?
What happened?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bro, this man